I win today.
I hope.
So how to know if you win or not? So how to read it? Well, check it out. I win or not?
I'm looking. Jeez, I mean.
So let's read. I don't know. Visit. Unquote. Visit WWR. So you need to go to first and return the main. There's nothing here.
Wait, well, I'm scratching too. I'm still scratching.
Just scratch little. Question is how we know if we win or not. Congratulations. You win.
Huh?
You win.
Wait.
The owners are looking for any way they can to control the ring.
Can you help me a bit?
Congratulations. So you win. Oh,
Wait a second.
yeah, you win.
Wait, what?
You win. Hold. Oh, hold. You win. Oh, hold it. Hold. Why there's congratulations to you? You have won. You have won 1 fountain tomato sauce.
An item.
Me, you have won
Tomato sauce.
5 ml. I
Show the
win.
camera.
Here, just put in the hand. Loose. So I win. Tomato sauce. At least 500 ml
Can I
tomato sauce.
scratch that
When
one?
I scratch that, just make harder. Okay. We win. Everything is win. I win a tomato sauce. That's a good start. Tomato sauce. Congratulations, you have won double entry into. So scratch right hand, scratch panel. Scratch right hand, scratch panel.
I need to do the code.
Oh, this is really good. Weekly, huh? Weekly draw. Big chance to win 5,000.
I won like another scratch. I won another scratching ticket.
Two more ticket. You
I'm
win.
lucky.
You win 2 more ticket.
Even blind would be safer up there.
I win tomato sauce for the first time.
I've never won a tomato sauce either.
Yeah, so I win tomato sauce for
Tomato
the first time.
sauce.
Thank you, IGA.
I hope it's the best tomato sauce ever.
Yeah, next
because
time
free.
5 key.